In this video, we will discuss the options available to your team to implement via a CDP and the pros and cons of doing so. CDPs are customer data platforms that allow you to instrument tracking code once, route data through a single centralized source, and then forward the data onwards to other downstream tools. Examples of CDPs would be Segment, RudderStack, or mParticle, all of whom integrate with Mixpanel. The pros of utilizing a CDP is that it helps simplify your implementation across your entire tech stack, as you only need to implement tracking code once. The switching costs are low when changing downstream providers. You can manage all your data through a single data pipeline, and you can make enrichments and transformations to your data through the CDP's UI as opposed to needing to write code. The cons of utilizing a CDP is that there is a cost to consider with adding another tool to your tech stack. It requires maintenance via the CDP to enrich or transform your data, and there are limitations to what enrichments or transformations you can apply. If your team is already utilizing a CDP for data collection, we recommend that you implement via CDP by adding Mixpanel as a destination for your data. Please refer to the documentation provided by your respective CDP provider for more information on how to connect your CDP to Mixpanel. If you have any questions, check out our docs, leave a comment, or join our Slack community. Thanks for watching.